Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu ba shom morway. Ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner but Superintendent of Police ka East Jaiñtia Hills District haka khandai tarik urampang arajar arpun riu kila Hajir Hakhmat ka Ïingbishar Meghalaya High Court haka baya day bat ka jingbatay ka kremti daw yung beain kabalaja haka santarik urampang arajar arpun riu haka sinang mensngat tangsko ha East Jaiñtia Hills District kabalalam siya ka jingyap jonggi arpun yungut ginang balati daw yung haduk mentah. USP ka East Jaiñtia Hills District Ïingbishar Kumar ula kantaj baniatu AA halor kani ka Jaiñtia dagaba penpau bakani ka kam kadang don hapo ka jingkmi jong ka Ïingbishar nrei ulaya tu upat bagi kenhun ai jingyarap kidang beteng ban wat ya kinong belagi bala syatep hapo ka krem ka Ïingbishar kala shim suo moto na ki kubor balami hagilat patai kubor halor ka jingbetei ka krem ti doyong hagashnong tangsko East Jaiñtia Hills dangshen.
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February, and the Honorable High Court had taken the cognizance, and the DC and SP of East Jaiñtia Hills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court, and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required, and search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case, is ongoing. We have made arrest, and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion.
When will be the next appearance in the court?
We'll be getting the order by evening, so after that only we'll be able to say that which date appearance will be there. No, it is still ongoing as of now. Yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing. It will depend on the teams that are deployed there in the area, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently, because we have to see the terrain and everything.